Here's some Steven Pinker's Ideas trivia. Subscribe. Which book critiques political correctness? Is it A, The Tipping Point, B, The Blank Slate, C, Brave New World, or D, Animal Farm? The correct answer is B, The Blank Slate. What is a common theme in Pinker's lectures? Is it A, world peace, B, emotional intelligence, C, art and culture, or D, data-driven insights? The correct answer is D, data-driven insights. What cognitive structure is often discussed in his works? Is it A, memory consolidation, B, the mind as a computational system, C, emotional intelligence, or D, cognitive dissonance? The correct answer is B, the mind as a computational system. What is Pinker's view on the impact of art? Is it A, historical context, B, cultural evolution, C, commercial success, or D, individual expression? The correct answer is B, cultural evolution. What psychological effect describes seeking information that confirms beliefs? Is it A, confirmation bias, B, anchoring effect, C, cognitive dissonance, or D, availability heuristic? The correct answer is A, confirmation bias. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.